Hey there Internet, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to unlock a Sony Xperia Play on the Rogers Canada network. You're going to need a couple things to do this. It's not hard, but you will need them. Obviously you'll need the phone to do it. You're going to need your IMEI number for your phone, the unlock code which actually you'll have to enter to unlock your device, and a non-acceptable SIM card which I have right here. Overall, it's a fairly simple process. I'll start at the very beginning here. To start, you are going to need to get your IMEI number. This number is specific for every phone, and it's required for whatever service you use to get your unlock code. They need that number to get the actual specific unlock code for your phone. To get this on the Sony Ericsson and most other phones, if not all, I believe, the easiest way is to open up your dialer, which I have right here. And you guys can all, just so you guys know, there is no SIM card in here, and it's not working at all. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, there's some X's on the top there saying no signal. But anyways, to get your IMEI number, all you have to do is in your dialer, hit *#06#, and that will pop it up. I'll show you one other way to get it, which is also really easy, but there it is, and once again it's blurry, just so you guys can't see it. I didn't blur it, just crappy quality of this camera. The other way to get it, this will probably work for most Android devices, and the instructions I'm giving you guys here should be fairly similar for almost any phone out there right now. But to get your IMEI number on probably most Android devices also, you can just go into your settings here. Don't go into sound. That was my mistake. Go into About Phone, at the bottom there. Status should do it, and there's the IMEI number. And once again, you can't see it, and that's just because it's a crappy recording. But both these numbers are the same as, this number is the same as doing it on the other way, entering *#06#. Okay, so once you get that number, you're going to need to choose a way or a service to get your unlock code for your phone. The website I'm going to talk about, it's in the descriptions below, is sellunlocker.net. At first I tried to see if there's any way to do it for free, and short answer and long answer is no. You can't really do it. So, here, let me tilt the camera up. Get you guys a little bit better angle there. Okay. So, all you do is in any browser you like, go to sellunlocker.net. This is the website right here. So for this, I mean, they have a whole bunch of phones on the side here. I don't know if you guys can make out the names, but you're going to want to, for a Sony phone at least, you're going to want to go to Sony Ericsson. Blah blah blah, not really important. So for Sony Ericsson, you're going to want to select your model. It should be noted here that for the Xperia Play, there's a couple different models, and to get it, you actually, if you go into that same menu where I showed you how to get your IMEI number, there we go. Nope, not there. I keep making a mistake. There we go. Settings, About Phone, Status. It should be, oh, not in there. And it's probably, oh, right there, model number R800A. I don't know if you guys will have a different number, but you're going to want to make sure you select on the screen here. You're going to want to make sure you select the right one. So mine was for the R800A, and I've already actually filled out this and gotten my unlock code, so we won't have to wait for this. So select your model. Let's go down here to Sony Xperia Play R800A right there. Select your network, so we're in Canada, so I'm Rogers, and your IMEI number, which I have conveniently already typed out right there. So look for code. Take some time, it thinks for a bit. The reason I chose to use this site as opposed to, there's other sites that do this, but as you can, you guys can probably make out, but the price is $7.99. A lot of other sites are hovering around the $20 mark, so, and they looked a little more sketchy, or they looked sketchy, I should say. So I decided to go with, the cheapest option here. I originally wanted to go free, but that wasn't possible, so, $8 for an unlock wasn't that bad. And this is American, so if there's any Canadians watching you, it worked out to be, at the current time of exchange, was around $8.62, which isn't that bad at all. Even if it didn't work, I mean, I was like, it's $8, it doesn't really matter. So, you just fill out the rest of the form here, you click place order, it'll bring you to PayPal, you enter your PayPal information, and you will receive an email from them right away. You will actually receive 2 emails from them. Your first email is just a simple confirmation. Looks something like this, basically saying, yeah, we're processing your order, blah, 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 blah. And then your second email you get from them will actually contain the unlock code which you'll need to enter to unlock your phone. And they just give you general instructions on how to do it. So, now let's actually get into the unlocking of this phone. Okay, so right now my phone is on. Probably your best bet right now is to get into a state of unlock. You'll need to turn off your phone. So for these guys, you just hold and you click. You hold the power button on the top there. You just, oh crap. Stupid timeout. Didn't do it again. There we go. And you just click power down. And yes, I want to power down my phone. So powering down there, it takes a little while. It takes a little while to power up. So maybe I'll cut that out in the final version. To open the Xperia Play, just a little tab on the back there. Pop it open. There's your battery. I don't know if you have to take out the battery. I would recommend it, just in case. You never know. And I don't know if this will erase any data you do have on your phone, any sort of applications or contacts. I don't think it will, but you know, don't quote me on that, and I'm not liable if it does erase any of your contacts. So you'll need your SIM card. This is my non-accepted local carrier SIM card, which will not work on a Rogers phone unless you unlock it. For the Sony Xperia Play, you insert it like this, and you stick it all the way in there. That's what she said. Yes, I'll make that joke. I don't care. Clothes are all back up. Make sure you put the cover on the right way. Hey, be looking good. Sometimes these covers stick a bit. There we go. That looks good. Okay, now we'll just power you up. Come on. There we go. So now it's powering up. Takes a while. These phones take some time to power up. So, like I said, you can use another website to get this unlock code. My buddy works at Rogers, and he said you can even phone them to get it, but that's like $50 or something, he said. So, you know, $8 for unlocking your phone isn't that bad at all. It's actually booting up relatively quickly. Oh, there you go. You can see the Rogers sign. So, no service. Emergency dial only. And if I go to unlock it, there we go. See, SIM network pin enter. And that is the number they sent me. So I am going to enter it here. And the number I'm about to enter, if any of you guys are like, oh, I'll just, use the same number he used. It won't work for you because this number that I'm about to enter is tied specifically to my phone, and it's based off my IMEI number. I don't know how the services get these numbers. All I know is that this particular code is tied to my particular phone. So guys, you can try entering it, but it won't work. So just enter it here. And if all went well, unlock. Network unlocked. There you go. See? Canada. English. Yes, because I am a Canadian, if you guys really care. Skip. Can I just skip this? Yes, exit. I don't want to set up now. I just want to use my new phone. Well, secondhand, but nonetheless new for me. And it looks like it's all working. Now, to test this out, let's go into browser. And I'm not on Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi error detected. Yeah, I don't care. Let's just go to... I might have to do a little bit additional programming here. I was talking to my carriers when I bought, or the people at the store when I bought my SIM card. They say you might have to enter a couple more things. Oh no, there's programs. There you go. And this is, see, MTS, my local carrier, not Rogers. So everything's working. Awesome. There's just one more test I wanted to do. They have a 1-800 number here. And if I were to dial it, 1-800, and this is the 1-800 number to sell unlocker.net. So, like, I mean, I'm not giving you guys any sort of personal phone number here. Call. And let's put you guys on speakerphone.
contacting salonlocker.net.
There we go. So it worked. So there you guys go. I hope this was very informative for all you guys out there who have a Sony Ericsson Play and are looking to unlock it. This is specifically for the Rogers network, but like I said, these instructions are very generic and should work for any Xperia, if not almost very similar to any phone out there. Okay, thanks guys, and thanks for watching.